Hi, and welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry, the light is just, okay. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marcos Mackey Jordan, and if I keep looking over here, it's because my mirror's there. We all know this. We've seen wig videos before, hopefully. But, today, I'm gonna be trying out this, wig from, let me see, Kriyya hair. Human hair wigs. Let's see. I'm gonna just show y'all everything that came in the box. You know, lashes. Don't wear those, but these are pretty popping. They gave me a wig cap. It's a good color. Glad to have it, but already had some left done. You know, this nice headband. And then let me show y'all the actual wig. Me trying to act like I didn't fall off. But, okay. Don't mind how it looks. I had to wash it and then I braided it with like, some, you know, puts a little bit of product in it just so like it could be soft and, you know, but, you know, it's a highlight. It's a highlight wig and on, like, it flows amazing. Like, let's just talk about it. And it is it's a 13x4. So, you know, I'm just going to be doing this part because the sides really don't need to be done. But, you know, might as well do the whole perimeter just to be safe. But let's get into it. It has adjustable straps. It has it has 3 combs. I didn't take the combs out, but I'm not going to be using the ones on the side. It's pretty much just going to be the, you know, just the one in the back just to secure everything. Where's my clip? Un momento. Uy. Let me see. We're gonna go with orange. Also get into these butterfly clips that I found at my job. Just needed to clip up this hair. So, just needed to clip up this hair so that I can install it. I have my straightener plugged in because I don't know what I want to do with this hair yet. Honestly, I didn't even like map out how far I would need to pull this down. My bad. Let's see. Me messing with the combs. My goodness, hold up. This is either gonna be a fail or it's gonna come out perfect, which I'm hoping for because I really do not have time. Literally, I'm doing this before work. Like, I really just decided, like, today's the day to install this wig. Like, babe, you understand you are not Speed Racer and things like this take time. Does that look good? Is my forehead gonna be booming? Probably. Do I care? Probably not. Let's see. All right. Let me tuck this hair out of my way. Y'all like this setup? I was watching a lot of Tatiana Ali, over my time of not being, you know, on my grind like I should have been. My forehead looks huge in the camera. Oh my God, Lord have mercy. Honestly, okay, let's just get into it. Why I fell off. I'm gonna be real with y'all. I fell off because life got really stressful. I got like this little promotion at work. I got this little promotion at work, which is lovely. We love that, but TBH, kind of over it. Not as fun as I thought it was gonna be. Oh, Jesus. It is a little bit spicy. Hold up, let me get me trying to do this all in one take, knowing full well I'm gonna edit this. Let's see. I need this. We got that got to be. That wait, hold up. Yeah, that got to be. Okay. Let's just start. I'm gonna get like mad close. Let me turn y'all. I'm gonna get mad close to the mirror. Let's see. It's the way I'm actually nervous to like do this because I really do not want it to mess up. Let me grab. How y'all doing? I fell off because, you know, little promotion at work. I had to focus a lot more. Finals came up, so I really couldn't, you know, I really didn't have time. And honestly, I should have made time because this is actually really fun. I really enjoy it. I really love getting inspiration from different people. So you just, you know, do better. Do better for yourself. Let's see. Y'all, when I tell you I'm stressed. But, let's see. Should I start in the middle or I'm asking y'all like y'all about to, like I'm on a FaceTime, but, ooh, okay. We just gonna get right into it. Okay. Yeah. Also, get into this brown lace. You can't even see it. Y'all ever want to feel appreciated by a company? That like usually like it's smarter to like bleach the lace and you know do all that fun stuff, but baby, I didn't have the time. I did not have the time, nor did I have the resources. And honestly, I'm not even mad about it because it's really good lace. Like, I don't know what to tell y'all. Me just slathering it on. Slathering it on like I'm not about to cut all this off. Okay. And where's my parting comb? I'm about to pop this dryer on. Sorry, y'all gonna have to hear it because I don't have any copyright free music yet that I like.
I'm gonna try to figure that out. How are y'all doing?
Oh, let's get into that sticky face.
Let me get the cool shot so I don't burn myself.
My forehead is huge. All right, so it's pretty dry first round. We love that. I feel like I should do like a second layer. I'm gonna try to find the link for the wig in the email so I can link it down below. So I can link it down below. And you know, help anybody out who wants it. And they are having like sales. They're really affordable. They're already really affordable, and then on top of that, they like have like random sales, which I totally appreciate because I've been trying to, you know, branch into this more, especially as like a lifestyle channel, and like, you know, I'm really into doing hair and all that jazz. And so like 1 second. All right. So boom. I'm gonna wrap this up. And no, I don't have any elastic. This is gonna save me a lot of time in the next few days. Don't look at my dirty laundry. Oh goodness. And then I still gotta yeah, get into this. Actually the part doesn't look that bad. I just have to put some concealer. Hopefully it doesn't look bulky in the bag. Actually, there we go. Alright, y'all. Serum has been added. Serum has been distributed. Let's get into it. I'll turn the heat up because I need to get a move on. I need to stop lagging. This is the most rushed video ever that y'all have ever seen. And I'm like, you know what? I'm sorry, y'all. I should have allotted myself more time to do all this and, like, you know, gave myself, you know, a grace period. But no. I said today's the day. If I don't do it now, then I'll never do it. And then, like, I just won't. Like, I'll just keep putting it off and putting it off and putting it off. And then it'll never go anywhere. But honestly, it's better to have something up on this channel than, like, it's better to start getting my creative juices flowing than just sitting around and not doing anything with, like, you know, the kind of just like all the I literally have so many ideas, and like I keep telling myself, like, hey, like, you'll get to it, like, you'll do it soon. But it's like, babe, like, you're not doing what you need to do. It's the way I should have styled this before. But you know what? We ball. Honestly, I really don't know what to talk about. I'm kind of just, like, winging it right now. And I'm, like, mad focused on, like, getting this done. Come on. The way it doesn't want to work with me. Me doing, like, I'm doing a very half, like, I'm the main character. All right. Yes. It is the second day. The hair, it came out good. But I had to go to work. So I have time today. So I'm actually going to take the time to style it and make sure it looks nice. My head hurts from wearing this all night. But that is the price of beauty. I got the straighteners plugged in, the curlers are plugged in. We're just going to wing it. We're just going to see where this journey takes us. Yesterday was a day for me. But, you know, look at me. You can tell yesterday was a day for me. Sorry, I was grabbing the comb. That's my bonnet. As you can tell, the bed has been slept in. But that's my business. But, like, yeah. For one thing I do despise is that on camera, it's giving very much scalp. But you know. And I've been noticing a lot lately, like, on different platforms, people will, like, do their, you know, their hair. And then people will be like, I can see the lace. Duh, you can see the lace, babe. It's not I'm not doing scalp surgery. I'm putting on hair. And yes, as you can tell, it looks good enough to pass for my hair. My mom literally had to ask me if I did this to my actual hair. So I know I look good. I know I did the dang thing. You know, just really excited to see where the summer has for us. The summer is gonna be very fun. I'm just very much trying to be safe because you know we're very slowly coming out of this panoramic. And you know, I don't ever want to go through another panoramic again because I'd rather swallow 3 pairs of jeans than go through another panoramic again, another Panda Express, Panaderia, if you're feeling fancy. But I'm an idiot. I'm not. I'm a genius. As you can tell, I woke up in a very good mood. Very much the God complex is here. It's present. I'm gonna try to vlog today because I feel like it. And I'm doing my hair, and I feel like today is gonna be a really good day because last night yesterday was like a really rough day for me. I'm not even gonna lie to you, it was very stressful. Just so many things were just like piling one on top of each other, which just felt like a lot for me. And it just felt like a lot for me. And so basically, sorry for looking over here, guys. I'm just trying to look in the mirror. But it's just a lot. And then later in the day when me and my friend, my coworker that was driving me home, a song came on, and that song reminded me of just a really good time in my life. Literally, I couldn't tell you the name of the song. All I know is as soon as that song comes on, I feel like I'm floating on air. I be vibing. It gives me the dopamine, the serotonin that I need to get through the day. And it came on last night, and I felt a really good energy, a really good presence. And I was literally immediately I told my friend, I was like, things are going to get better for us. No more negativity. It's summertime. We get in. We doing what we need to do, y'all. Live your dreams, live your truth. And just be the best you that you can be. And if you're hurting, as long as you're not hurting anybody, rock out, put your socks out. Me burning my hand for the integrity of this hair to come out nicely. Would it be bad if I curled it and then I gave it layers? I need to stop. This is the behavior that won't get you sponsored, babe. Or maybe it will. I've seen a lot of things on YouTube. Let's see. The hair clip. Shout out to the butterfly hair clip. My entire wig shifted back and I got nervous. I was like, don't do that. Don't do that, Keisha. Okay. Let's see. Honestly, okay. I'm gonna speed up this part because I feel like I have nothing to talk about.
I feel like I have nothing to talk about. I don't want to bore y'all with me just being in silence and trying to concentrate on his hair. So, 1 second. Enjoy this speed up of me curling this hair. Alright. I got half my head done. I look crazy. Let's not talk about it. I did it. I look crazy. Crazy. And then I'm probably gonna come off camera and like, pick out my outfit, do all that jazz, and then take out the curlers. And then do the outro. Because we're already at 24 minutes. This is all gonna be sped up anyway. Okay. And we're back.
Hello. Yeah. I know y'all were watching that like, sheesh, but I'm just gonna let this sit for a while. I'm gonna go pick out my clothes for today, and then I'll come back on camera and well, you know, with the finished product, and then I'll do the outro. Hello, and this is the final product. How are we feeling? Also, get into the fit. Get into the fit. Also, socks are like, I really pulled out a look today. But like, yeah. Final look. What do we think? So, you like it? Yeah, it's good. Well, thank you for following along on this chaotic 2-day journey. But I hope everyone has a great day. And oh, there's a cat in the backyard. But I hope everybody has a good day and peace and blessings. I'll see y'all in the next one. Hopefully I stay consistent. But yes, thank you for following along on this chaotic journey. Have a great day. Bye.